Hi, this is Keith with Georgetown County School District, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about how to use the equations editor. Now, this is good for your math classes, and so I'm going to show you in Google. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open my drive. I can either go to what I call the Rubik's Cube here and look for the docs, or I can be in my Google Drive like I am now and click New and look for Google Docs. So I'll just go ahead and click on it, open it up here. So I've opened up a brand new document. So I'm going to name this one Equations. And I'll click up here in the untitled document spot, and when I do that, it's going to name it Equations, or whatever it happens to be on the first line. So in the Equations editor, what you do for your math folks is you click on the Insert, and they're going to click Equation. And it's going to bring this new bar, this new ribbon down here that has all these different tools on it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say this is going to be a new equation, and I'm going to make it look like what the math operations would. So I'm going to use this one first. So I'm going to click that one, and it's going to put it in that format for me. So I'm going to say 2, and then I'm going to hit the Tab key. It takes it to the bottom, 2/3. I'm going to click off of it. Now I can do my plus or my minus or whatever I want to do. So I'm going to do 2/3 plus. And then I'm going to say I'm going to say the same thing. I'm going to do another equation up here. Go back to that. Go back to that. I'm going to say plus 1 tab third, and then do my equal sign, and I can put a blank out here. Okay, so that's one. All right, let's do another one. Let's say we want to do a new equation, and I'm just going to do an operations kind of a thing. So I'm going to look up here, see all my different little tools that I have right up here. So this one I'm going to say, let's see, I'm going to say 2, I'm going to say 1 tab third, and then I'm going to click off of that, and I'm going to go up here into the equations piece. I'm going to get one of these new little operations, and I'm going to say that's greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and click off of it. And then I'm going to say 5, oops, I'm sorry, I got to go back up here to my new equations, go to my piece there. I'm going to go 5 tab 16ths. And then I'm going to put out here true or false. All right, so there's a second one. All right, so now let's try a third one. I'm going to skip down a couple of lines, and I'm going to do a new equation, and I'm going to do this one. I'm going to say the square root of 4 plus, I'm going to go back up and give me an equation again, and I'm going to make this one, I'm going to make this one an exponent of, let's say, 5 tab squared. Click off of it, equals, oops, equals. Okay, so now I've got 3 equations in there. I can do a lot more kind of things with that if I just want to do 3x plus 2x equals, then that's pretty simple. You don't even have to worry about doing formula. Those are right there where you can get to them, and you can make your answer blank. And then this is something you can save, send to your students, allow them to edit, and they can actually do some work underneath there. So I would suggest the first time doing 2 or 3 problems, let them get used to using the new equation or the insert equation, and go through here and try out some of these tools, see how that works for them. Hope this helps.